Maddie's
What are you doing?
I have no idea.
What camera is that? Oh, it's a cute.
Yeah, I would never have a pink camera.
I don't know about that. Are you
It's video. You're like, I was like, what are you doing? Amanda.
What are you doing?
That was cool. How do you do that? Got it.
Live long and prosper.
Look, I got 2 little fingers and then right head.
Oh, that is really cool.
Hi, you only have a body. It's a headless lady, oh my god. Only nobody knows.
I guess Megan's not.
What was that?
Nobody noticed. Alright, let's go.
Oh, forehead!
What?
Bryce is getting his makeup done. Everybody. Shannon.
Sorry.
It's okay. They're doing all right.
Are they good now?
Yeah, they're okay.
Did they stop crying?
For the most part, yes.
Okay.
You filming?
Tonsils.
Shannon.
Nostrils.
Megan has talked.
She's stable now.
She's stable, but not fully stable.
Ziploc, raspberry, now smush.
Any comment will make them
Smush.
back
Let's take a look at the stage. We're gonna check out the stage.
Alright, afterwards, so I'm gonna run up stage and Bryce is gonna jump in.
Say hi, tech crew.
Hi, I'm Hank. Accused of soccer myth. This is kind of top secret at the minute.
No, it's not.
Look, lesbian ladies dancing.
You can leave.
That's wrong. You should bring up a cam for her.
You're calling us. Why do you have a pink?
Can you break up with Cam?
What?
When was this?
For Ellen.
When was this?
What?
When did you break up with him?
Today.
When?
Cam who? Cam was like at 4:30. Cam was like.
Say that. When did you break up with Cameron?
Like 4:30 o'clock. I don't know.
AM or PM?
PM.
It's going on YouTube and I'm going to tell Cameron to watch it. Preston
Yeah, why did she break up with Cameron?
Let's ask. Why did you break up with Cameron?
I don't like him.
Oh, that's not me.
I would like to know as well. I thought he was a kind gentleman.
He has bleached. Actually, he has bleached hair.
What?
Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open
I prefer not to.
Freaking.